And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Let your heart speak. The heart is in direct communication with the human soul. And when the heart speaks, even with the resistance of the head, something inside you changes. Your heart opens another heart, and true love is possible. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 65, NASDAQ up 9, S&P's up 7, gold contract up $3.90, trading at $1,496 an ounce. Silver up $1.10 at all-time highs. Well, not all-time highs. Highs right now, though, $44.06. Platinum down $11 at $1,770 an ounce. Copper up 4.5 pennies at $4.29 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1 at $108.15. Bonds up 9 ticks, trading out at 121.14. Dollar index down 46 ticks, trading out at 75.27. Euro up 9 ticks at 143. Yen down 12 at 82.54. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You go up $7. You do it on 800 million. We went downtown with 1 billion yesterday. This is setting up another ABC structure on the way down, folks. You're down on volume, up on lighter volume. You get the setup from the B to C of a separate ABC down inside an ABC down. We go over to the Dow Industrials. You take a look at the Dow. Same setup in the Dow. Dow is up $65. That's after making a low out here yesterday of the 12,093. NASDAQ Composite. What the Composite did out here is this. Composite right now, let's see. She was up $9. She did 1.6 billion versus 1.8. Same type of setup there. We're going to be back down the other side of 2706. The market right now, folks, is trying to get into the March 16th level. Now, the high of that in the NASDAQ is 2669. The low is 2603. After the close out here, monster earnings all over the place. Now, check this out, folks. If you do happen to be in front of a screen, this is kind of interesting. This is what it is. Wynn Resorts came out with numbers. Now, Wynn closed at 138. It's trading up $5 at 143. Numbers go like this. Wynn Resorts. Big numbers, okay? The estimate was 73 cents. They made $1.38. Revenue, estimate was 1.16 billion. They made 1.2 billion. Okay, now that being said and done, let's go take a look at Las Vegas Sands. Now, this is where this gets really interesting. Las Vegas Sands closed at 45.20. It's bidding up 65 cents on that one, but let me tell you something, folks. If you're into I know we get a lot of calls that call in Las Vegas Sands. This Las Vegas Sands is going to go up a lot more than 35, 40 cents on this. The reason being is that it has a high of $51, $55 with volume. Bottom line is that something to take a look at. Now, let's CRE, C-R-E-E. Let's go take a look at CRE. CRE closed at $40.81. That little baby right now is trading out at 39. Numbers on CRE go like this. The estimate was 35 cents. They are basically going to do from 25 to 31. Bottom line is that CRE's been in tough shape for quite a while right now. This is a stock that was just a monster high flyer. Stock went from $14 nonstop up to 80. You're at 40 right now, and it's making its way all the way down as 36, and it looks like it's going to go lower. Big Blue, we take a look at Big Blue. Big Blue closed at 165. It's up $4 right now. Trading, this is what Big Blue did. Okay, numbers on Big Blue. This year's. Okay, so the estimate was $2.30. She took in $2.41. That's the bottom line. Top line revenue number. The estimate was $24 billion. She took in $24.61 billion. Can you imagine 24.61 billion in 90 days? That is impressive, no doubt. SYK. Let's take a look at SYK. This is a striker. They develop, manufacture surgical and medical products. That closed at 61.10. Let's see what this is saying. Okay, so they see the estimate was 89 cents. They made 90 cents. That closed at 61.10. That's trading out at 60.91. No big deal. ISRG, Intuitive Surgical. Intuitive Surgical closed at 364, up $8. That's trading at 361 right now. Let's see what Intuitive Surgical. Their estimate was 249. They brought in 259. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at VMware. This is always cool when there's so many coming out simultaneously. VMware closed at $85. That's trading up $8 right now. It is a nice acceleration. That's trading up at 93 right now. The high in VMware goes out to where? It goes out to 97. Let's take a look at the numbers out here. VMware, this is what it is. The estimate was 42 cents. They take in 48 cents. They did 48 cents. That's bottom line. Top line revenue was $814 million. They took in $843 million. And if we go back and look at that, baby, let's go take a look. Our Riverbed, RVBD. Okay, so Riverbed Technologies. They manufacture, market appliances used to connect computers worldwide. This closed at 33.43. This is trading still 33.43, same number. Estimate was 162 million top line revenue. They made 163 million. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go over and take a look at the gold contract. Gold out here today hit the $1,500 mark, folks. $1,550. Bottom line is that we'll see how much higher this baby wants to tag. We did 122,000 contracts today, 199 yesterday. Silver, as my partner Steve just said at the Tiger Metal Exchange, he says someone is taking the place of the Hunts. Silver is at $44, hit $44.17 today, and silver, folks, has basically gone nonstop without looking back from $33. $33 is March 15th. You can actually really bring it down to $26.72 on the 25th of January. Let's take a look at some of the high volume stocks out here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so we had Marbell was flat. We had Alcoa up 31 cents. Freeport McMoran was up $1.11. We had Wells Fargo up 55. Sprint Nextel was up 4. And folks, if we go back to silver for a second, okay, you're gonna love this. Okay, this couldn't be better actually. What you'll see tomorrow, if you are on Facebook, we're going to be doing a promotion that starts tomorrow, and it's going to go tomorrow. It will start, and the winner will be announced a week from Friday. And what the promotion is this: I'm going to give away 5 ounces of silver a week. So silver's at a nice little clip right now. And I'll get you all the details tomorrow. The details will be up at TFNN. And it's real easy to win the 5 ounces. That's the bottom line. It has to be 5. It'll be 5 separate people. But we're going to be giving away 5 ounces of silver. They're beautiful coins by Great Panther Silver. So it couldn't be a better time for us to basically do this. Let's go to Rich in Boston. Hey, Rich, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how are you today?
I'm doing great. You having a good day out there?
Having a great day, but spring's a little behind schedule up here, though.
It is, huh?
Yeah. We had a great day yesterday for the marathon, though.
Oh, I know, man.
Yeah.
That was amazing. That was
perfect.
That run was incredible. I heard it was perfect running weather, right?
Well, yeah, and they had a tailwind all the way.
Oh, did they?
So they had fast speeds.
Cool.
They're amazing. You see those elite runners? They finish up. They're not even breathing hard.
That is amazing.
It's amazing.
2 hours and 3 minutes blows my mind, man.
Yeah, a record.
I know.
Yeah. Looking at an entry for deer. I've been in and out of it a few times, but it doesn't look quite ready yet.
Okay, let's take a look. We got Deere Corporation. This, of course, is the large agricultural, construction, forestry, commercial equipment maker. The low's 52. The high's 99. They pay 1.5% dividend. Okay, so you're in a consolidation. Interesting. No, see, that high has some good volume behind it, too. Let me just see when they're coming out with their numbers. So they're coming out with their numbers the 18th. Well, what you'd love to see is, you'd love to see this baby get into that 15th and 16th, meaning the 88 to 84 level. because the consolidation is to the top, which is at 99.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it wants to get up there. You know, you have the high volume from the February 16th level, which is 97.36. You know, you get up there at 12 million. Now I tested that with 6, and it couldn't handle it. But you can see how it's testing the bottom with 3.7 million versus 10 million. So I'd have some more patience though.
Wait.
And the reason, well, this is why. Watch, if you go over and take a look at Caterpillar, you can see Caterpillar was actually a false break topside, and Caterpillar is inside. Went back outside the range today, but Caterpillar came down hard yesterday. So Caterpillar is going to come back to that 11th, which is 97 to 100, and that'll bring whatever is going to happen. That'll bring Deere back to it too. I mean, they trade together.
88, 84, somewhere in that area.
Yes, that's the bar that I'm going there, Rich, is this. That bar is the bar from the 15th of March.
Okay.
And the lows in the market is 16th in March. Right there, that's where this market wants to get into.
Okay. Great.
Cooking, brother. Have a
Thank
great
you.
one. Have a safe one. JNPR. Let's go take a look at Juniper Networks. JNPR. Okay, Juniper Networks closed at $38.47. That's trading at $40.30 right now. Numbers go like this in Juniper Networks. The estimate was 32 cents. They made 32 cents. The revenue, 1.18. You know, they basically were light on it. But bottom line is that the market's digging it, whatever it is. Okay, so they were up 21 cents. And this is up another $2 right now. Yeah, it's trading out at $40.21. Let's go back to Big Blue for a second. So Big Blue closed at 165. It's trading 168. 168 with Big Blue is going to take it over its highs. Let me pull this back a bit. We'll go to 08. See what we got up there. Yeah, it's going to take it over its highs. Well, Big Blue is going to be a big one, meaning is it going to be able to hold those highs in the morning? We take a look at some of the financials out here today. Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs come out with numbers this morning. What you had Goldman do, Goldman came out with numbers. You opened at the 156 area. You closed out at 151. And bottom line is that this is pretty amazing, but Goldman does want to go into lower price. You had an expansion with volume, breaking every swing point out there. You closed at 151, which is below the swings of March 16th, and with some real juice, 13 million. You got a seller in Goldman. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.